What's going on, everybody? I want to walk you through a product called Steady. Absolutely powerful. We got two successful traders that we have to take trade ideas from, one by the name of John Dollar and Justin Sandy. So I want to just walk you through how to take these trades. Very simple. You go to steady.im /web or just steady.im. It's going to probably take you to this center here. You're going to have to log in. If you're logging in for the first time, okay, and of course you're an active member, your password may be I am powerful, all one word, okay? Or you may have to retrieve your new password to log in, but we'll create another video for that if you haven't already went through our im.center program. Okay, so first we're gonna choose our products. We're gonna scroll down here, right? If yours are all colorful, that means you have all the products. If it's grayed out, that means you do not have the products. You're gonna have to go to your back office and actually add it as an add-on, okay? So we do have Steady here. We're gonna click on that, right? Tells you offers 1 to 3 trades a week. All we got to do is click on this here. And now we're at our Steady product. Okay, very simple. Today we've taken this trade, EUR, JPY, absolutely powerful. You know, it crushed down the TP1 as you can see here. So very simple. It's going to show you. Off to the right gives us the trade ideas. So USD CHF, AUD CAD, EUR USD. So here's our most recent one here, which we already have up. And all you're going to do, go to your MetaTrader 4. Right, gives us our entry point. Okay, so if it's at this point, you can do a market execution. So it says 120.952 already set. So we just get in around that area. Okay, gives us our stop loss at 121.117. Okay, boom. Right, and then it gives you your take profit 1. So our take profit 1 gives us 30 pips. Okay, our take profit 2 gives us about 55 pips. Powerful. So you can put one or the other in. You can do twin trades, all up to you. Just know, feel free, enter the trade numbers in there, enter your take profit 1, and you're all set. That is it. If you want to do anything extra on the chart, you want to learn from this, obviously paying attention to how they ran the Fibonacci here. Very powerful, right? Ran it from the top to the bottom of the trade. Okay. And then you can see as it went to the top to that major reversal area, the 78.6. Right? That's where they call the trade at, and they seen the drop coming. All right? So this is a great opportunity for you to learn as a student in IM Mastery Academy and use one of the most powerful products I believe that we have called Steady. So that is how you take a steady trade, and you can see, like I said, this one crushed to the TP. You'll get 1 to 3 trades a week using this. So literally, place the trade in your phone, forget about it, go about your day. All right, folks, my name is Randy Webb, and that is our time. Welcome to IM Mastery Academy.